Can you draw a bird using only numbers? Most people think you need to be good at drawing, but there's actually a simple trick. So how do a few numbers turn into a bird? I'll explain, and what happened next will shock you. But first, if you love your phone more than your dad, then ignore this. But if you love your dad more than phone, hit subscribe, like, and comment red hearts for your dad. Start by drawing a slanted one, then add a 2 that touches it. Next, draw a large 3 around them, followed by a small 4 near the bottom. Add 2 tiny 5s above the 3, then place a 6 inside the top curve and a 7 on the outside. Suddenly all those numbers come together to form a cute little bird.